Every 4 years, the International Union of Speleology presents the International Congress of Speleology, or ICS, where the world's cavers and cave scientists meet. The 15th ICS will be held in the United States in Kerrville, Texas, along with the U.S. National Speleological Society's annual convention. Kerrville is located in central Texas and centrally in the United States. It is relatively close to Mexico, Central America, and the Caribbean, where pre- and post-Congress trips will be offered. Kerrville's pleasant setting along the beautiful Guadalupe River has attracted a culturally diverse population of 35,000 to the Texas Hill Country. The ICS will be held on the campus of Schreiner University, established by the Schreiner family in 1923. This coeducational institution awards associate, baccalaureate, and master's degrees. It has an auditorium and rooms for large sessions, small rooms for workshops and committee meetings, and a gymnasium for a variety of events. The cafeteria serves excellent meals, and local and national food vendors will provide convenient food service around the campus. Free wireless internet access and internet-ready computers will also be available for your convenience. The university offers spacious, air-conditioned apartments and dormitories on its campus. Reserve these in advance because they will fill up fast. A quiet family campground and separate loud campground will be provided on campus, but no pets or RVs will be allowed. An additional campground which allows pets and has spaces for RVs, cabins, and camping is only 3 kilometers away at Kerrville Schreiner Park. Additionally, a variety of motels and hotels are available in Kerrville. A free shuttle bus service from the hotels to the ICS will make off-campus accommodations convenient. The International Union of Speleology and the U.S. National Speleological Society will each hold meetings of their sessions, committees, and working groups that cover all aspects of speleology. Scheduled throughout the week, these meetings will affect the direction of projects and major advances in speleology and will be open to anyone interested in becoming involved. Sessions focused on cave science, exploration, education, management, safety, and related topics will offer hundreds of papers. 15 symposia on exciting major topics are being scheduled, including international cave and karst management, the latest advances in karst geophysics, geomicrobiology of cave and karst environments, public karst education, and inventorying cave and karst resources. ICS salons are competitions in cave-related arts, such as cartography, photography, painting, sculpture, music, and video, or graphic arts on newsletter covers, emblems, and t-shirts. The artistic works will be displayed all week in the beautiful Logan Library. Special rooms will be used for reviewing the musical and video offerings throughout the week. Thursday night will feature the spectacular photo salon in the beautiful Kerrville Municipal Auditorium. All salon winners will be honored as part of that program. The ICS will host other activities besides meetings, symposia, and salons. The Schreiner University campus has 16 rooms to accommodate vendors of caving equipment, books, and gifts conveniently located near sessions and meetings. Cavers can also test their skills at the Speleo Olympics. Events will include rope climbing, a relay course, an obstacle course, cable ladder climb, and survey contest. Individual results will be combined as part of a team competition. After your workout, cool off with a swim in the pool outside the campus gymnasium. Several social events will allow you to meet cavers and scientists from around the world. On Monday evening, the Howdy Party will serve a traditional Texas barbecue with food, music, and dancing to provide a lively start to the week. Wednesday evening will begin with the first ICS fundraising auction. Bring donations of rare or interesting cave-related books, artwork, equipment, and other items to auction. Then bid to win. All proceeds will support the caving organization of your choice.
16, your way in the hat and the black jacket.
Afterwards, dance late into the night at the concert presented by the Terminal Siphons, a caver band which plays rock and roll and rhythm and blues. Friday night, everyone is welcome to celebrate the annual awards at the U.S. National Speleological Society banquet. Finally, on Saturday, the ICS banquet closes the week with the traditional formal Congress dinner. Kerrville lies in the heart of the Texas Hill Country, where the sun shines over 300 days each year, and average July temperatures range from 21 to 34 degrees Celsius. Visitors to Kerrville will find challenging outdoor recreational activities, including hiking, camping, tubing, and canoeing. The ICS will offer interesting cultural and family trips. Visit the YO Ranch to see a working ranch and exotic animals, or to go horseback riding. Trips to San Antonio will feature SeaWorld, the world's largest marine life park. Combine fun with education and appreciation for some of the ocean's most fascinating creatures through more than 25 shows, educational exhibits, and rides. Other San Antonio trips will visit the historic San Antonio Spanish Missions, the famous Alamo, and the beautiful Riverwalk with its unique shopping and restaurants. The Hill Country Winery Tour will visit excellent local wineries for delicious wine tasting and a picnic lunch. To experience Texas's rich German heritage, select the Fredericksburg trip, which features charming shops, a visit to the Nimitz World War II Museum, and a delicious lunch. Take the optional afternoon visit to nearby Enchanted Rock. This unusual dome of pink granite rises 130 meters and is one of the largest such outcrops